How is the Iran war affecting Australia's ability to acquire more U.S. missiles? You need to know now because this conflict is reshaping global missile supply lines and could delay Australia's defense plans. The ongoing war with Iran has prompted the U.S. to impose a fresh round of sanctions. These target more than 60 individuals, companies, and vessels worldwide that help Iran obtain nuclear and ballistic missile technology. This crackdown complicates international missile trade and restricts the flow of missile components. For Australia, which relies heavily on U.S. missile technology, these sanctions create hurdles in acquiring additional missiles from the U.S., as export controls tighten amid heightened geopolitical risk. In response to potential supply challenges, Australia is accelerating its domestic missile manufacturing capabilities. The Guided Weapons and Explosive Ordnance Enterprise is constructing two purpose-built guided missile factories, expected to be operational by 2029, alongside an Australian munitions factory. This strategic move aims to reduce dependency on foreign suppliers like the U.S. and secure Australia's long-term defense readiness amid global uncertainties triggered by the Iran conflict. Experts from the CSIS Geopolitics and Foreign Policy Department highlight that the Iran war is not contained to the Middle East. It is reshaping global geopolitics, including in Asia, Australia, and the Pacific. These shifts influence defense alliances and military procurement priorities. For Australia, this means navigating a more complex international environment, where missile access from traditional allies like the U.S. could be affected by broader diplomatic and security concerns linked to the Iran conflict. The U.S. has been intensifying sanctions on Iran for years, focusing on nuclear and ballistic missile programs. The recent escalation after nearly 6 months of war adds a new layer of economic pressure and export restrictions. For countries like Australia wanting to acquire more U.S. missiles, the sanctions complicate approval processes and potentially delay deliveries. This forces Australia to rethink its defense procurement and supply strategies urgently. What this means for you is that Australia's missile stockpile and defense readiness may face delays due to the Iran war's ripple effects on U.S. missile exports. However, Australia's push to build local missile factories by 2029 aims to provide long-term security. Stay informed on how global conflicts impact your national security. For more updates, subscribe and hit the bell icon.